Lifted hood, vertical grille, signature-shaped lights front and back. GMC is redefining the physical presence of the next-generation truck. On the AT4X, these are 35-inch Goodyear Wrangler Territory MT tires, straight from the factory, for the first time ever on the Sierra 1500. The Multimatic jounce control dampers are doing the real work here. That's some serious suspension technology, engineered to handle the most demanding terrain.
AT4X tells a very different but equally deliberate story. Here, premium is expressed through technical, purposeful materials, designed to perform in demanding environments while still delivering a refined experience. An exclusive timber mahogany colorway is designed to balance durability and comfort. This interior features front seats with enhanced bolstering, a sport flat-bottom steering wheel, perforation patterns, piping, quilting and embroidery, a standard panoramic sunroof, as well as stainless steel door speaker grills reinforce AT4 as a truck that can handle serious off-road use while still feeling refined on the drive home.
From the factory, ready to go somewhere most trucks can't. But step back and look at it. It still has that GMC refinement. That's the balance. An entirely new generation of V8 small block engines are available throughout the lineup, a 5.7-liter and a 6.6-liter, with state-of-the-art engineering, durability, and capability. To help explain our innovations under the hood, I'm here with Scott Garber, Vehicle Chief Engineer. Scott, you've been doing this a long time.
Yeah, a little over 20 years.
All right, so can you tell me what the goal was behind developing these two new V8 engines?
We wanted to give customers more of what they love. These V8s have more displacement, more power, more torque, and are more fun to drive. Built from the ground up with state-of-the-art engineering, including virtual tools married with physical validation. These engines are completely reimagined from the current generation, retaining the character customers expect from a Sierra, utilizing a more technologically advanced foundation to deliver even more capability.
What are the biggest differences between the 5.7 and the 6.6? Who is each engine for?
The 5.7-liter V8 serves as the ultimate workhorse. It was optimized to create a refined driving experience that provides both comfort and confidence while towing and hauling. This engine delivers both a superior payload capacity and unmatched durability. For customers seeking even greater capability, the 6.6-liter offers a robust foundation for both towing and hauling, and is specifically tuned for high performance, delivering impressive power and aggressive and satisfying engine sound, and rapid acceleration.
Small block heritage goes back decades. How did history inform engineering in this updated engine?
From the early days of classic small block V8s to turbocharged and diesel options, Sierra engines have consistently set new standards in towing capability, torque delivery, and overall performance. When creating this new generation of V8s, our engineers combined that rich engineering heritage with our latest virtual analysis tools and created two new engines that continue the trend of setting new standards.
What part of the truck are you personally most proud of from an engineering standpoint?
Not only have we engineered these trucks to be incredibly fun to drive, but they'll provide customers with the versatility to haul with confidence, head off-road with conviction, and arrive to dinner in style. The Sierra represents one of the most advanced and rigorous engineering development and validation programs GM has ever executed. We've taken premium trucks to a whole new level.
This is without a doubt the most powerful Sierra 1500 lineup we've ever built.
Inside the Sierra, every element was designed around how customers actually use their truck day in and day out. That starts with a completely new console, expanding the capability of our signature GMC Multi-Pro functionality to create a true multi-tier system that delivers generous storage and multiple cup holders. The entire console is organized in a way that makes it easier to manage the devices, gear, and everyday items that our customers carry. Across the cabin, we've elevated the technology experience with technically refined digital displays for both driver and passenger. The center infotainment screen now articulates, revealing hidden storage behind it, while the available front passenger screen also features articulation for improved usability and privacy. These displays aren't about adding visual noise. They're designed to feel technically precise and highly functional.
How do you differentiate the Denali Ultimate interior from the others?
We've elevated what premium means for GMC across the entire lineup, but nowhere is that more apparent than how we've differentiated Denali Ultimate and AT4X. On Denali Ultimate, that philosophy comes to life through a focus on precision craftsmanship and elevated luxury, which manifests itself in the most premium Sierra interior we've ever created. I would even go so far to say the most premium interior ever on a GMC.